guys! Today I will present you a bluish glamorous makeup. I hope you will enjoy it. Let's get started! Firstly, we will start with the base for the foundation. We will use today the Porefessional by Benefit. Secondly, I will use the Infaillible 24-Hour Fresh Wear by L'Oreal Paris in the shade 130 True Beige, mixed with the NYX Pro Foundation Mixer in the shade Olive. As a concealer, I will use today the Bye Bye Undereye by IT Cosmetics in the shade Light. To set my whole face, I will use a powder from Cinecitta based on a rice. Now I will use a palette from Revolution Pro in the shade Cool. To make me blush a little bit, I will use the Dandelion blush from Benefit. To make my cheeks pop a little bit, I will use the palette from Revolution in collaboration with Soph. To do my eyebrows, I will use a gel from Inglot in a shade 69. Mix with Inglot Duraline. To set my eyebrows, I will use a gel from Rimmel London, Brow This Way, in a shade Clear. So, let's get started with the eye makeup. As a base, I will use a gel from Avon in a shade Eyes Out. To set my base in place, I will use the shade Holograph from Topshop. To add more color, I will use a Dazzle Dust by Berry M. And because I love Arabic makeup so much, I will make a dramatic eyeliner using the NYX Professional Makeup Liner in That's the Point. For the lips, I will use a lip pencil from NYX in Suede. Next, I will use a lipstick from Revolution Pro in shade Bare 112. make my makeup a little bit more wet, I will use a lip gloss from Kiko Milano in a shade Clear. For my lashes, I will use a mascara from Benefit. So that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed, guys, and see you next time. Bye!